Accordion Love merchandise, shirts and hoodies and tank tops. You can't buy these, unfortunately, but Accordion Love members, I want to reward you for doing your monthly challenges. So if you do 6 challenges over the course of a year, I send you whatever you'd like, whether it's a tank top, a hoodie, a tote bag, whatever it is. Just a few days ago, one of my students asked for a tank top with a custom print. I wanted to show it to you because this is available to you. I'll share my screen. This is what it looks like. This is not the student. This is the site I use, and this is one of their models. But again, this student chose the Psychedelic Accordion Love print from the coloring book. You could choose any color. You could choose your size. Ignore the price. This is the price to me. I send it to you as a reward, as a prize for doing the monthly challenges. Any design is available on any product. This is the classic Accordion Love logo. Again, whether it's a hoodie, a t-shirt for summer, a tank top, a hat, let me know and I'll send it to you. That's what I wanted to let you know. Again, these can't be purchased. This is a reward for doing Accordion Love challenges. 6 challenges over the course of a year gets you exclusive Accordion Love merchandise. That's all. Enjoy.